Samsung is all set to launch a new mid-range smartphone at Mobile World Congress 2018 in Barcelona. A new Samsung mid-range smartphone has been leaked on a benchmarking website which is believed to be the Samsung Galaxy J8 2018. While everyone is waiting for the Samsung Galaxy S9 launch, Samsung might launch the Galaxy J8 2018 with it. According to a new Geekbench listing, Samsung Galaxy J8 2018 with model number SMJ720F model number will come with Android 8.0 Aria out of the box, making it Samsung's first smartphone with Android Aria out of the box. The smartphone is expected to run on January 6 GHz Samsung Exynos 7885 processor coupled with Mali G71 GPU and 4GB of RAM. It will come with a 5.5-inch HD display with at least 5-finger gesture support. Sadly, it will be 16:9 aspect ratio display and not the popular 18:9 display. Samsung Galaxy J8 2017 will sport a 12-megapixel rear-facing camera with LED flash and an 8-megapixel front-facing camera with full HD video recording capability. The smartphone will come with 32GB of internal storage expandable via microSD and will not come with the gyroscope sensor. We hope to see Samsung Galaxy J8 2018 in India by March end, and Samsung might price it around $16999 to compete with Xiaomi and Moto.